In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly start a Meet Now session using Microsoft Teams. Whether you're organizing a spontaneous meeting or need to gather your team for a quick brainstorm, Microsoft Teams makes it remarkably easy. So let's dive right in and get you set up. First things first, you'll want to open your browser and head over to teams.microsoft.com. Once you've navigated to the site, you'll be greeted with the sign-in page. Here, you'll need to enter your Microsoft account credentials to access Teams. This is the same account you use for other Microsoft services. So if you're already signed in elsewhere, this step may be a breeze. If not, make sure to have your username and password handy. Once you're successfully signed in, you'll land on the Teams dashboard. Look to the sidebar on the left side of your screen, and you'll see several options. The one we're interested in today is the calendar. Click on it, and Teams will load your calendar view. This serves as the central hub for all your scheduling needs, showing both upcoming events and past meetings. Now, it's time to set up a quick meeting, and the Meet Now feature is perfect for that. Look for the Meet Now button, because it's usually prominent and easy to spot around the top right of your calendar. Click it to launch a new meeting window. At this point, you're prompted to enter a meeting name. This step is optional, but adding a name can be helpful, especially if you're planning to create multiple meetings and need to differentiate between them later on. Once you have the name sorted out, click on Start Meeting to initiate your session. With the meeting started, you'll now want to set your audio and video preferences. This is crucial to ensure clear communication. Teams gives you several options to customize. You'll typically see a camera preview window, allowing you to position yourself properly in the frame. It's helpful to test your microphone to make sure the others can hear you clearly. If you have more than one camera or microphone connected, be sure to select the correct devices from the drop-down menus provided. Often, this step is a simple matter of selecting your preferred camera and microphone, then making any necessary adjustments to lighting or volume for optimal quality. And there you have it. You're now ready to host a Meet Now session on Microsoft Teams, with your audio and video set just the way you need them. This streamlined process helps facilitate spontaneity and collaboration, eliminating the hassle of scheduling a formal meeting while still getting everyone on the same page. Whether you're meeting one-on-one or with a group, this setup supports seamless communication. Thanks for watching and happy meeting!